Hey everybody, did you know you can go to colinmullen.com in order to get art and art prints? It's true. That's why I set up the website. Go there, buy art. Almost Christmas, colinmullen.com. So real quick before we get into today's subject, I just want to talk about this painting. Probably the fastest painting that I've done in quite a while. Simpler color palette, not as much like actual paint. It's subtractive rather than additive in a lot of places. So it was pretty fast. It was like an hour, 30 minutes. I was legitimately very confused after I got done. I'm like, is it done? But it looks great, man. I'm actually really excited about this one. It looks great. But yeah, anyway, let's talk about what an idea guy is first. I feel like we can't really have this discussion without having the topic of an idea guy discussed. So an idea guy is usually someone who comes up with an idea, that is for a thing that they want to see in the world. Either a drawing that they want made, or a video game that they want, or a, who knows, some piece of media that they would like to be able to consume and have credit for making. The problem is that they usually don't have any skill sets to bring to the table. And here's the deal. Most people don't have multiple skill sets. Ideas are not a skill set. I'm sorry. Most people have ideas. That's just how being human works. A lot of people don't get to actually do anything with those ideas because they just don't have the time to make those ideas happen. They don't have the resources to make those ideas happen. They don't have the skill sets to make those ideas happen. And that, in a sense, is what an idea guy is. It's someone who doesn't have a skill set or a resource necessary in order to actualize a thing into existence, and so instead they push that off onto other people. So how to stop being an idea guy really comes down to you have to put forward some effort first. There has to be something tangible, not just a block of text that says, here's my idea for a video game, it does all these things. You need to say, hey, here's what I've been able to do with Unity. Here's what I've been able to, draw for the project. I've got these sketches. Here's some music to kind of give you the idea, the vibe of this thing that I'm working on. I have money. Money is a resource. Money is a resource that is equal to a skill in this, because at that point you stop being an idea guy and you start being a client. If you pay someone, a team of people, a few $1,000s a month to make your video game, you're not an idea guy anymore. You're a client. Those people are getting paid to work on a project. I have no issue with you. That's the way the world works right now. Better or worse, that's the way the world works, and that is fine. People need money to get food. That makes sense. But if you don't have the ability to draw, you don't have the ability to program, if you don't have the ability to make music, you don't have the ability to do anything that's required to make the thing that you want to make exist, have the money to do it. And if you don't have that, all you have is an idea. And every single creative person that exists has ideas that they want to work on. Every single time I sit down to work at a, painting on a canvas, I have an idea going into it. I go, hey, okay, I want to make this thing happen. And so then I make it happen. That's how art works. That's how creative processes work. Why is your idea better than mine? You may think it is, but I disagree. I like my idea better, so I'm going to draw it. And this is an incredibly soft take, but idea guys suck. So don't be an idea guy. Instead, either learn a skill set and contribute to the team of people that need to work on a thing, or have the money to pay someone who does. That's it. That's literally the video. That's it. All you got to do in order to stop being an idea guy is to gain a skill set and use that skill set. Because I guarantee you, any idea that I think I've got, I'm going to assume is better than yours, and I can make it happen. I have no reason to follow you and do your work for you, unless if there's something in it for me too. Like money. Your idea is not as good as you think it is. In other words, get good, or at least try. At least try to make something. And don't message people about ideas that you have. No one cares. Legitimately, no one cares. Sorry, this is just something I get really heated about because it's frankly very insulting to artists to say, hey, you creative person, you have no ideas. Let me give you one of mine. A person who's never done anything. Get out of here. Shut up. Leave. Get out of here. Don't message me. If you liked this video, consider sending it to an idea guy who's trying to get you to do a thing. And if you're getting this video from someone and, you know, they say, hey, watch this video. Stop. Just stop doing that. Stop doing this. Jesus, what is wrong with you? Anyway, let me thank the people on Patreon who make the things that I do happen. Thank you guys so much. I'm going to thank the people at the $5 tier or more, but thank you to everyone on patreon.com/RevScarecrow. You guys are amazing. You are so cool. Thank you so much. Thank you, Wapfu. Thank you, Top Poundor. Thank you, That Two Guy. Thank you, Terry Maverick. Thank you, Targo. Thank you, Snoutpunk. Thank you, Orthogonal Caster. Thank you, Mortis Nautis. Thank you, Micah. Thank you, Maliciousness. Thank you, Kayla Hollinger. Thank you, Josh. Thank you, Gwyn Urich. Thank you, Gala. Thank you, Dragon. Thank you, Demetrius Gesgales. Thank you, Chiptune Glitch. Thank you, Bubba Fair. Thank you, Bep. Thank you, Andy. Thank you, Amber. And thank you, Ants! A little bit more energy on that one because I got heated. Yeah, let me know what you think. If you're an idea guy, I don't care. No, actually, tell me why I'm wrong about you being an idea guy. I actually do want to know what possible, because I like to research these things. What possible reason do you think that your idea is good enough for other people to actually believe that they should do work for you for free? Honestly, let me know why you think that you have a skill set that I don't. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one.